Imagine waking up every morning and realizing that you've made money while sleeping. Isn't it an electrifying thought that you could be earning income without leaving the comfort of your home? Well, you aren't alone in this. Every single day, people from different corners of the world are unraveling the extraordinary potential of generating income, all from the comfort of their homes. They are fully utilizing the power of internet to build their own financial empires. The thought alone of making money while you sleep is a thrilling one, wouldn't you agree? Now picture this, a reality where you're not required to step outside your door to make a living, a reality that countless people are already living. Now let's make it your reality. Greetings, dear listeners. Welcome to another stirring episode of Wealth Wisdom Hub. This is your ultimate platform where we delve deep into the captivating world of personal finance. Our mission is to provide you with the latest strategies, tips, and advice to help you enhance your income and financial growth. We firmly believe that everyone deserves the right tools and knowledge to build a secure financial future, a life of financial freedom. Have you ever daydreamed about making money in your pajamas? Or wished to break free from the monotonous 9-to-5 routine? If you just nodded in agreement, then you, my friend, are definitely in the right place. This platform is designed just for you. We aim to enlighten, educate, and empower you to seize control of your financial destiny. Money is no longer restricted to physical labor or office spaces. The digital era has made it possible to earn from anywhere, anytime. The online world is bursting with opportunities and possibilities that you might not have even thought of. So today we're submerging ourselves into the mesmerizing universe of making money online, a universe that's abundant with an array of opportunities for everyone. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced entrepreneur, the online world has space for everyone. So get ready to explore the incredible potential that lies within this realm. Let's decode the secrets of successful online businesses, understand the strategies of top earners, and uncover the profitable niches that can boost your income. Fasten your seatbelts because we're about to embark on a thrilling journey of financial exploration. A journey that will open up new avenues of income for you and help you realize your dreams of financial independence. Imagine waking up every morning and realizing that you've made money while sleeping. Now let's turn this imagination into reality. Today we're diving into the exciting world of making money online. Welcome to the first section of our guide on how to make money online. As we step into the information era, the concept of making money online has become more than a mere trend. It has transformed into a lifestyle choice for many individuals globally. Its evolution is not a mere coincidence or a random occurrence. Instead, it's an outcome of the vast potential of the internet, which has fundamentally altered the dynamics of earning income. Making money online is no longer considered a shady practice or an unstable source of income. Gone are the days of exploiting system loopholes for quick cash-ins. Today, it's all about utilizing the colossal resource pool of the internet to establish a legitimate income stream. The digital world resembles a vast ocean teeming with varied opportunities that cover all professional sectors and industries. In its true sense, making money online involves leveraging the enormous power of the internet to generate revenue. Multiple digital platforms and channels can be used for this purpose. These may range from freelancing to e-commerce, from online consulting to selling digital products. The magnitude of such opportunities is not confined within geographical boundaries. It empowers individuals with the freedom to work from any corner of the globe at any given moment. This new age concept has altered our conventional understanding of work and income. It has led to the emergence of where people can capitalize on their skills, talents, and passion. The traditional mindset of a regular 9-to-5 job is gradually being replaced by the idea of online income. More and more individuals are opting to make money online, thus leading to a paradigm shift in the global workforce. Not only does it allow individuals to create their own work schedule, but it also gives them the flexibility to balance their professional and personal lives effectively. The internet has become a vast marketplace, accommodating countless opportunities for income generation. The potential of making money online is vast and untapped, offering numerous avenues for growth and prosperity. Income generation is no longer tied to physical presence or rigid office hours. It's about finding the right platform that matches your skills and venturing into the world of digital entrepreneurship. It's akin to a financial revolution that is leveling the playing ground for everyone, irrespective of their geographical location or professional background. In the subsequent sections, we will dissect the various aspects of making money online. We will examine the opportunities it offers, the challenges it presents, and the strategies to overcome these obstacles. But before we delve deeper into these aspects, let's first understand the immense advantages that making money online brings to the table. Now that we've thoroughly examined the concept of making money online, let's delve into the incredible advantages it offers, starting with the unparalleled advantages and flexibility that come with this digital journey. One of the most significant benefits is flexibility. It can be transformative. It's about shifting the paradigms of traditional work structure, about challenging the norms and setting a new trajectory for ourselves. It's about redefining the term work-life balance, allowing us to bid farewell to the rigid old-school 9-to-5 constraints. This is the beauty of the online digital landscape. It bestows upon us the freedom to choose when and where we work. It empowers us, giving us the reins to control our schedules and meticulously craft a lifestyle that resonates with our unique preferences, aspirations, and needs. When we talk about flexibility, we're not just talking about the freedom to choose your own hours. It goes way beyond that. It's about the freedom to work in sync with your rhythm. You could be a night owl, finding your creative juices flowing when the world around you is deep in slumber, or you could be an early riser, harnessing the peace and tranquility that the dawn provides. Working remotely, digitally, gives you the incredible advantage of aligning your work hours with your innate productivity peaks. It's about redefining the norms, about working smarter, not harder, and leveraging your natural rhythms for optimal performance and productivity. So, intrigued about the possibilities that the digital world presents? Well, let's delve deeper into the vast landscape of online business opportunities. This space is not confined to a one-size-fits-all approach. Rather, it's a vast, thrilling terrain with myriad pathways to explore, each one with its unique set of challenges, surprises, and rewards. There's an array of options to venture into. You could offer your services as a freelancer on trending platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, or establish and manage your very own e-commerce store. You could create and sell your own digital products, or even establish online courses to share your knowledge. The options present in this landscape are as varied and diverse as your talents, skills, and interests. They offer a plethora of opportunities for personal and professional growth. Imagine this. You're an artist, and you're spreading your wings into the vast digital realm, reaching audiences you could only dream of. Or you're a consultant, providing expert advice to clients scattered around the globe right from your living room. Perhaps you're an aspiring entrepreneur, ready to revolutionize the digital space with your disruptive ideas. Regardless of who you are or where you're from, there's a virtual avenue, a unique digital opportunity, waiting for you to discover, explore, and potentially thrive. And that concludes our guide on how to make money online. It has been an invigorating experience. We embarked on an exploration of the numerous pathways in the digital arena, which can facilitate a consistent stream of income. Our expedition took us deep into the heart of affiliate marketing, a bustling marketplace of partnerships and promotions. We shed light on the clandestine corners of freelance services where talent meets opportunity. We delved into the vast expanse of online courses, a treasure trove brimming with endless potential. It's my hope that you found this guide full of eye-opening insights, practical tips, and versatile strategies, a source of inspiration. The primary aim of this guide has been to equip you with the necessary knowledge and resources required to bring about a significant transformation in your financial standing. Investing your time and effort into these online adventures would not only allow you to secure an additional income, but also help you enhance your skill set, one that's highly sought after in this digital era. The purpose of this guide extends beyond the mere concept of earning money online. It is a blueprint for achieving financial autonomy and designing a life that aligns with your own principles. It is about shaping replete with opportunities and possibilities. It's about embracing the tides of change, adapting to the evolving digital landscape, and leveraging modern technological advances to your benefit. As we draw to a close, let's leave you with some critical takeaways. Success in the digital realm is not an overnight phenomenon. It hinges on a triad of crucial elements: consistency, creativity, and commitment. The path isn't always smooth, but the journey is undoubtedly fulfilling. Encourage yourself to remain motivated, imbibe inspiration from around you, and never cease to learn and adapt. If you found this video informative and wish to stay abreast of all recent developments in the realms of finance and wealth creation, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Join our ever-growing community, and let's navigate these digital waters together. Remember, the world of online income is vast and ever-changing. What works today might not work tomorrow. So keep innovating, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep learning. And don't forget, every journey starts with a single step. So take that first step today towards a future filled with financial and endless opportunities. Always move forward. And remember, success is a journey, not a destination. Keep striving, stay motivated, and your efforts will surely bear fruit. If enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on all things finance and wealth building, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, join our community, and let's continue this journey together. As we transition into the final section of our guide, I want to take a moment to remind you of the importance of staying connected to our channel at Wealth Wisdom Hub. The world of online income is a rapidly evolving landscape filled with new opportunities and challenges at every turn. To help you navigate this dynamic environment, we have set up a dedicated community for all our viewers. In the footage you're seeing now, you can see our subscribe button in action. You see, this little button is more than just a symbol. It's your gateway to a treasure trove of insights, tips, and strategies. By hitting that red button, you become part of a collective of like-minded individuals, all striving towards financial freedom and success. Joining our community isn't just about receiving updates on our latest videos. It's about engaging in enriching discussions, sharing your experiences, and learning from others. It's about finding support and motivation in your journey towards online income generation. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Be a part of our growing community, and let's continue to learn, grow, and prosper together. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. Let this be yours. Welcome to the community, and here's to your success in the world of online income.